The investment flows into metals such as silver have been extremely low this year, and that's why we see the price down in 2021. Can silver end the year on the high, or will the same trend follow through to December? Welcome to our market analysis videos here at Zenfinex. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Connor and I'm the senior market analyst at the company, providing to you daily videos on market commentary and educational content. Now for today's video, I'm going to give my forecast on the silver market for December 2021. To do this, the video will follow the consistent format of a fundamental analysis followed by a technical analysis. Enjoy. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about what is normally regarded as the most important forex news event of the month, and that is the Non-Farm Payrolls Day. This is a report where the public has access to information on wages, job growth and unemployment as well. The report is released at 1:30 p.m. GMT on the first Friday of every month, and which is obviously today at the time of recording this video. Now, the forecast for the non-farm employment change is 553,000. Last time out the figure was around 531,000, so not too much change, but to me not too much change suggests that the US labour market is strengthening. This will back up the hawkish words. It will cement the words from the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell during Tuesday's trading session, and this is a quote from Jerome Powell. He said, the economy is very strong and inflationary pressures are higher, and it is therefore appropriate in my view to consider wrapping up the taper of our asset purchases perhaps a few months sooner. This caused shockwaves in dollar related markets, and he even retired the word transitory, which is, why is this significant? Well, it's significant because first of all, interest rate hikes will push government bond yields higher, which goes coincide with the reduced stimulus. The US 10-year yield is currently sitting just below the 1.5% mark. However, a break above that will keep the pressure on silver as well. As you may know, silver moves inversely to the US dollar. Therefore, it is important to track what is happening with the DAXI at the moment, which is the dollar index. And to put it bluntly, it's flying high. Many experts expect dollar strength to continue throughout December and into 2022 as well. This is mainly due to the factors mentioned above regarding bond yields and reduced stimulus and hawkish pivots from the Federal Reserve. Is there any saving grace for silver? Well, there is a new variant of COVID-19 called Omicron, which is dominating the news at the moment. It has multiple mutations, and the main worry is if vaccines will be as effective against this variant as they are with the rest. Early signs are that they are. However, should there be more panic, more cases, more deaths, or anything that could suggest COVID is going to damage the global economic recovery, then it could force the Federal Reserve to think twice about this earlier taper, which is starting to be priced into the market. This could pave the way for some silver strength. But let's take a look at the chart anyway and mark some key levels. Okay, then, so on the chart for this really struggling silver market at the moment, and I've kept my my drawings in there from previously because I wanted to show you the trading opportunity that we had that I marked out, and hopefully you got in. This is the 2021 open price, roughly at around 27. As you can see, we're trading down at around 22. So it has not been a good year for silver. Look, we were trading in. Hi guys, thank you for listening to this video. Just really quickly wanted to touch on a really exciting offer we have on the website. It's a limited time offer, and if you head over to zenfinex.co.uk, you will see the offer in front of you straight away. And this is that you can trade forex on a standard account with raw spread plus zero commission. And now Zenfinex is also an FCA and no dealing desk execution broker. If you are interested in this offer, you can get in touch with the team by clicking learn more, or you can simply go to open an account where you can start the application process. In the green for a while, but mainly the trend has just been on the downtrend, and so with these factors coming in that I've mentioned just in that fundamental analysis, we should really be looking for sales. But there are some interesting levels coming up for silver where we could get a bounce. Now, this was before, and I think I can even replay some of this. Let's replay it down to here. I think it was roughly here where the chart was previously, and I did say to everyone that I was expecting the price to come in and wick and take this fair value gap here first of all, wick into our order block entry level, then we can look for a move down. And as you can see, that's exactly what happened. Tagged into my trade nicely. 8.26R risk reward, which is really good. 1% risk. I'm looking at around 8% gain, and I'm taken some partials along the way, but I'm really aiming for this 21 level where these lows are. So if I get rid of that, because we know that's the trade we've already done, and we want to find potentially a new trade. So if you're a silver bull, sorry, not a gold bull, did the gold video yesterday. If you're a silver bull, then you should really be looking at this level here. I mean, this is the last piece of real support that I can see for a while, and I think this level is absolutely critical, because as you can see, roughly around these levels we've had previous support, we've had a significant amount of buying power, even you could argue here and again here. So for me, we are in a strong support level for silver. So if we get a situation where we start to bounce from this market, and I can see price start to wane and start to lose its bearish momentum, then I'm going to be looking to buy from this order block. Let's say you wanted to be aggressive and buy from this order block here, stop loss just below, and maybe targeting the 200-day moving average would be fair enough, up around 25. Then you've got a 2.88, nearly a free risk reward trade there. You may want to go into a lower time frame to maximise your risk reward, but more importantly, depending on what your strategy is, stop losses really should just be sitting below these lows. But I am cautious of the market coming and wicking, because there's probably going to be a lot of liquidity sitting below here, so be careful about that. If we get a situation where the market does close fully below, and we're going to find that out hopefully in December, then if we do close below this level, as you can see, there isn't much at all stopping this market reaching down at around 19. So I'll be looking for a retest and a move down towards 19. And I'll highlight this, all this price and efficiency we have here could start to come into play. Fair value gap, which means basically price and efficiency that we have. I'm not sure why that's not filling up. There you go. Fair value gap. So if we move on to something like the 4-hour chart, it might be a bit clearer. See all that price and efficiency there. There's not even been a single piece of bearish momentum. So we may get a situation where we break below that level, we get a retest of one of the order blocks that are left behind from the break, and then we can look lower, and my target would be at least to fill the 50%. I know that isn't exactly the 50%, but you can mark that out yourself around the 50%, but let's aim for 20. Will be my take profit level for the rest of December, where I could see the market going. Alternatively, we get a run up towards that 25 level if the Omicron variant starts to pick up some speed, but I just can't see that happening at the moment. I'm really favouring any selling on any impulses to the upside. I do fancy that. At the same time, do you remember when on the gold market we had that situation when we created that double bottom? We could, instead of breaking below, we could actually, as I said, close and get an entry at an order block here, and then actually go to look higher. Because remember that double bottom we had on the gold market, that really big one, which caused the big spike up. May get a similar situation here with silver. So some really interesting moves to come. That's it for the silver market today for December. Targeting around the 20 level for any bearish pricing. If we do get a bounce from our daily order block level, hopefully we can get it towards 25, and that'll be a nice level to sell from as well. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you've liked and subscribed to our channel. Drop your comments in on the comment section as well. It does help boost our channel. We do appreciate all the opinions that you people have on our videos. Other than that, I hope everyone has a great weekend. I'll catch you all for the next videos, which will be next week. Take care. Bye.